What if your daily work could become part of the path to true freedom? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we explore Pure Theravada teachings, from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to everyday life. In the modern West, in the previous episode, we examined right speech and right action, the ethical factors that purify. Our words and deeds for harmony and peace. Today, we continue with right livelihood and right effort, the factors that bring ethical integrity to our work and energy to our practice on the Noble Eightfold Path. Right livelihood is the fifth factor, the commitment to earn a living in ways that cause no harm, avoiding trades in weapons, living beings, meat, intoxicants, or poison. The Buddha taught in the Magga, Vibhanga Sutta from Samyutta Nikaya 45.8, that right livelihood means abstaining from wrong livelihood that involves deception or exploitation. Wrong livelihood creates suffering for others and ourselves through guilt and kamma, while right livelihood supports peace of mind and ethical harmony in society. Choosing work that benefits rather than harms allows the heart to rest easy, free from regret, and aligned with compassion. Right effort is the sixth factor, the commitment to cultivate wholesome states and abandon unwholesome ones with diligent energy. It involves 4 efforts: preventing unwholesome states from arising, abandoning those that have arisen, generating wholesome states, and maintaining those already present. The Buddha described right effort as the balanced energy that guards the mind, like a skilled charioteer guiding horses, with neither too tight nor too loose reins. Without right effort, good intentions fade, but with it, every moment becomes an opportunity to strengthen wisdom and compassion. Together, right livelihood and right effort form part of the concentration group. Preparation, channeling our energy toward liberation, while living ethically in the world. The Buddha emphasized that livelihood affects the mind deeply, as wrong work breeds restlessness, while right work supports calm and clarity for meditation. For us in the modern West, right livelihood invites reflection on our careers. Does this work cause harm or benefit beings? Even small choices like honesty in business or kindness in service align daily life with the path, reducing inner conflict and stress. Right effort helps us cultivate positive habits, such as mindfulness during tasks, or letting go of negative thoughts when they arise. These factors bring the path into ordinary workdays, turning routine into practice and pressure into purposeful energy. Start today by asking, is my work harming or helping? And am I directing effort toward what is wholesome? This gentle inquiry plants seeds for a life of integrity and sustained peace amid modern demands. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will explore right mindfulness and right concentration, the factors that deepen awareness and calm. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Magga Vibhanga Sutta Samyutta, Nikaya 45.8 at Sutta Central or Access. To Insight, free public domain resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace as right livelihood and right effort align daily life with the path to liberation. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more. Pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding, right livelihood and right effort together. Show that the path includes our work and energy, making every day an opportunity for awakening. It encourages us to choose occupations and habits that support peace rather than conflict, fostering ethical living in a busy world. Remember right effort as the balanced energy that cultivates good and releases harm, helping us maintain mindfulness amid distractions. This teaching highlights that ethical work and diligent practice create the conditions for deeper concentration and insight. The Buddha's path is practical and timeless, offering tools for Western beginners to navigate career and effort with wisdom and heart. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time, and remember, the path to peace grows stronger with every ethical choice and wholesome effort. May you find inspiration in these factors to cultivate integrity and energy in your daily work and practice. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. Right livelihood and right effort remind us that our livelihood and energy shape not only our days, but also the peace within our hearts. His teaching on these factors shows that ethical living and diligent practice are inseparable from the path to freedom. By reflecting on our work and effort, we gain perspective on our habits, reducing reactivity and promoting acceptance in our ever-changing world. This tale encourages mindful occupation and energy as the foundation, helping us build kinder interactions and a more peaceful heart in modern society. The legacy of the Eightfold Path invites us to practice livelihood and effort daily, paving the way for deeper peace in our routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginner seeking clarity and serenity in modern. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more awakened and compassionate existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore right mindfulness and right concentration in greater detail. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The Concentration Preparation Group is a beacon for those seeking relief from scattered minds, offering practical wisdom that can gently guide energy toward lasting tranquility.